Curtis Jackson, better known as rapper 50 Cent, hit the big time with the album Get Rich or Die Tryin'. His long-term girlfriend claimed he'd promised to give her half of everything when he succeeded. Was this an enforceable promise? Would 50 Cent be reduced to 25 cents? That's the question in Tompkins versus Jackson. Jackson and Shaniqua Tompkins were in a romantic relationship for more than a decade. They had a son, and sometimes lived together, but never married. Tompkins said that she and Jackson had an oral agreement that he would support her for the rest of her life and share his earnings equally with her when he succeeded in the music business, even if their relationship ended. In return, she provided financial support and homemaking services, cared for him and their son, and nursed him back to health after a brutal shooting. Tompkins claimed that they were in love when they made this agreement. A few years after Jackson achieved success, he bought a house in Dix Hills, New York, where Tompkins and their son lived for a time. Tompkins said Jackson promised to put the house in her name, but never did. When they finally broke up, Jackson filed a petition in family court to establish his child support obligations. He also obtained an order evicting Tompkins from the Dix Hills house. In response, Tompkins sued Jackson in New York Supreme Court, alleging breach of contract and unjust enrichment. She also sought to impose a constructive trust over the insurance proceeds from the Dix Hills house, which had mysteriously burned down. Jackson moved for summary judgment, denying the existence of an agreement. The trial court addressed Jackson's motion.